back to my channel, The Baking Diva. It's so good to see all of you. Thank you for coming back and spending a little bit of your day with me. It's beautiful in New Jersey. It's about 90 degrees today. It's sunny, hot. Birds are chirping. I love it. I love the summer weather. It's my favorite time of the year. The only thing I wish I could be on the beach. That's my happy place. Or if I can't be on the beach, Disney World would be nice. What do you think? Well, since I can't be at either place right now, I think I'm going to bring Disney World in here for a few minutes. Now, those of you that have been there might be familiar with the Dole Pineapple Whip. That's very popular down there. Most people that go down there always have to try that. So I thought, it's so hot out today, I want to make something refreshing. So I'm going to show you how to make my copycat recipe for it. So what do you think? Should we get started? Let's get started. Now, there's a few different recipes floating around for this. I tried a couple of them. I kind of like the one I'm making today, but it doesn't mean you might not like another one. But this is what I'm sticking with. So what you're going to need first is I'm going to use my Ninja here, and I'm going to mix up everything in here. If you don't have a Ninja, you have a high-speed blender, you can use that. So this is so simple to do. First thing you're going to need is pineapples. Now, you want to use frozen pineapples. I think they come out the best in this Dole flip. So obviously I have Dole pineapple chunks. You want to get the small chunks. And we need 4 cups of them. And they have to be frozen. So let me fill this, because this is 4 cups here. So I think that should be about do it. Yep, looks good to me. They sell the pineapple chunks in smaller bags, but obviously my store didn't have them. And then what you're going to need is 1 cup. Now, I like to make this with coconut milk. Now, this happens to be Goya coconut milk. Now, some brands, I'm not sure if they have it, but sell a light version of the coconut milk. That works very well in this recipe too. So you can try it with either one. So the first thing you want to do is put your pineapples in here. So let me dump those babies in here now. Okay. And now I'm going to add my 1 cup of coconut milk to this. And in case any of you are not familiar with the Dole Whip, it comes out almost like a soft serve ice cream. It's delicious. And I'm going to show you how you can make a nice drink out of it also. So let me put this back on. Okay, so now I'm going to whip it until it's nice and smooth. Just pulse it a few times. You have to remember, these pineapples are frozen. You may have to go in there with your spatula and just scrape the sides a little so they all get mixed in there. So I'm going to just take my spoon and just break these up a little bit. Put this back on. How delicious this comes out. So refreshing. Oh, I have my beach hat on and my sunglasses. Mainly because I'm in Disney World, and also because with this pandemic, I haven't had a haircut in 3 months. Hats work great to cover your hair. One of those like Vitamixes or something. Obviously, it'll be easier for you to mix it than me using this Ninja, but this is what I have. I can see it's mixing a lot better now. So I hope you're all enjoying yourself. We're in phase 2 now in New Jersey, so the stores are opening up on, I think, Monday or Tuesday. Praise the Lord. But the salons aren't opening up for another 2 weeks. So, what are you gonna do? We're all in the same boat, right? Pulsing this and getting it nice and creamy. What you wanna do is take a pastry bag, put a large tip on it. I like to fold it over my glass like this because it makes it much easier to spoon your filling in there. Check it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's looking really good. Woo-hoo-hoo. Can't wait to dig into that. Now, what I should tell you is I'm making, obviously, a non-alcoholic pineapple dessert. But if you want, you can add a little rum to this. If you want to get a little daring. We have a bar downstairs in our family room. I don't even drink, but the bar is there. It's nice when we have company. And I went downstairs before, I'm looking for a bottle of rum. I couldn't even find one, and I know we have it, so just use your imagination. If you want to make this alcoholic, put some rum in it. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah, baby. Comes out. It's just like soft serve. Oh yeah. I think it's done. Yep. That looks yummy. I don't know if you can see it. I'm working solo today without the cameraman. There's a few little pineapple chunks in there. Probably because this isn't as powerful as some of the others, but it's gonna work just fine. Let me taste it. Oh, really good. Almost tastes a little bit like a pina colada. Do you like pina coladas? The dogs in the rain. Whatever. Okay, so it's looking good to me. I'm gonna now spoon it into my pastry bag. Look at that yumminess. Oh yeah. Look, can you see how creamy that is? Oh. And we're only using 2 ingredients here. Push that down in there. Now, what you're gonna do is take a little dessert dish, whatever you have. I'm gonna bring this up from the sides. You always wanna make sure that whether there's frosting in here or whatever, you push this down. Because otherwise, when you twist it, you don't want it to come flying out of the top. So I'm gonna do that, move my glass out of the way, turn this, push it down, push it way down, there you go. And I'm gonna just swirl this in the cup and see what we have. Oh yeah, look at this. Look at this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woohoo! This looks delicious. Let me get a lot in there. Now, you can serve it just like this, or if you want, you can make it look pretty. Look at that. And you can put maybe, let me see, just a tiny piece of pineapple off to the side. My hands are clean. Let me get a little one. Just put a little piece of pineapple like that on there. And of course, you always can put a little umbrella on there. Look at that. Now, is that adorable or not? Don't you feel like you're in Disney World? Only you didn't have to wait on that long line in that hot sun to get one of these. So I'm going to do a taste testing, and then I'm going to show you how you make a nice drink out of this. And let me give this a little taste. Oh yeah. This is so refreshing, and it's good for you. And if you don't want to use the pure coconut milk, you can buy the light version of it. So cool and delicious. Yummy, yummy. So anyway, that's how you make, this is how you make your Dole Whip, and you'll feel just like you're in Disney World. Now, say you want a nice summer refreshing drink. Take a glass, and you can take some nice cold pineapple juice. Pour your pineapple juice into your glass. This is a small can. I'm gonna put 2 cans of it in. It's nice and cold. You can put ice in it if you want, but you don't have to. There you go. Now, what I'm gonna do is spoon it on top. Just spoon it on top of your pineapple. Oh yeah. Spoon it on top of there. Look at that. Whoa. This is how you're gonna make your Dole. I called it like a Dole float. A Dole pineapple float. Look at that. And what else do you need in there? Well, I would say probably just a straw. There you go. And what I have here, a little pinwheel. Isn't that cute? Will you borrow this one? There you go. And look at that drink. Oh, wow. Beautiful. So I'm going to take a little sip of that. Oh, very good. But I would put ice cubes in it. That's just me. I like my drinks nice and cold. So this is how you make your Dole Whip. It'll make you feel like you're in Disney World. Or a nice refreshing Dole Whip float. So I hope you enjoyed this. I enjoyed making it for you. And give it a try. All you have to do is buy yourself some frozen pineapples and some coconut milk. And like I say, this drink would probably be yummy putting a little rum in it, right? If you want to be daring. So anyway, it was great seeing all of you. You know how much I love you all, and I appreciate you tuning into my channel so much. I really do. And if you haven't subscribed, go on down and hit that subscribe and the little bell next to it. A lot of people think that if you hit the bell, I don't know, it's going to cost you money or people are going to bother you, but no. You just hit that bell twice. I think it comes up and it says all. And then whenever I have a new recipe up, you just get a message saying the Baking Diva has a new recipe up. That's all there is to it. So anyway, stay well and safe, everyone. And for those of you that are in Disney World now, I believe it opened. Lucky you! And those of you like me that are not, and you're home, and maybe you're in the house, or you're sitting in your yard, or you're out in your patio, or Father's Day's coming up, serve some of these. I think your guests will love them, and so will you. So anyway, I'll see you all very soon. Have a great week. Toodles! 2 thumbs up.